Hi guys, today we are going to discuss unenforceable contracts. Unenforceable contracts is a contract that cannot be enforced unless it is ratified. So the only remedy therefore in unenforceable contract is ratification. The status of unenforceable contract is that it is valid until but it cannot be enforced. Okay, but it cannot be enforced. Which simply means that even if you go to the court and ask the court to compel the other party to perform his obligation, the court will not do that because the contract is unenforceable. The contract may be unenforceable by one, when the contract is entered into in the name of another person, by one who has been given no authority or legal representation, or who has acted beyond his power. So let's say, for example, you enter into a contract of sale of a parcel of land that belongs to your father. And you enter into a contract of sale in the name of your father when your father does not give any authority to sell the land. Then that contract, as far as your father is concerned, is unenforceable. So even if you go to the court, and even if the buyer will go to the court and ask the court to compel the father of the seller to perform his obligation, as far as the father is concerned, the contract is unenforceable. The second one is that it becomes unenforceable when it do not comply with the Statute of Frauds. And we know already that the Statute of Frauds provides certain contracts to be in writing, either for validity or for enforceability, or for convenience. And the third one is that those where both parties are incapable of giving consent. We already know that there are three persons who are incapable of giving consent. Those are unemancipated minors, deaf mutes who do not know how to read and write, and insane or demented persons. So a contract entered into by parties who are both insane are unenforceable, because there's no way that the party can assess their respective rights and obligations to the contract when both of them are insane, or either one is insane and the other is unemancipated minor, or one is unemancipated minor, the other party is also demented. So, or deaf mute who do not know how to read and write. So there is no possibility of assessing their respective rights and obligations to the contract. So you take note that when one of the contracting party is incapable of giving consent, the contract is voidable. But if both parties are incapable of giving consent, then the contract becomes unenforceable. Take a look at the next video, guys, on the Statute of Frauds, because this is related to the unenforceable contracts. Bye, guys.